Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me, as you can see, and you can see in the background, don't look, but my room is a disaster right now. After being sick and basically living out of this room, and on top of that, I went to go visit my boyfriend last weekend. And I don't know what it is about me, but when I gotta pack, I just throw everything everywhere because I'm trying on outfits and I'm like, what am I wearing? What am I doing? What am I taking? And so everything's all over the place. And I also did laundry and just decided not to fold it. So there's a giant pile of laundry on my bed right now. Just going what are you doing? Does anyone else do that? It's rare, but sometimes I do my laundry all day and then I get in bed and I'm like, well, I don't feel like folding it right now. So I just push it to the other side of the bed and just sleep right next to my laundry. Please tell me I'm not the only one, because every time I do a clean with me, everyone always asks me about my headbands. I own a little boutique for my headbands. We also make masks. This is one of my favorite masks. They're reversible, so you could do whichever way you want. And we also have hats. Let me show you the hats. My mom knits these. They are made out of merino wool, so they're nice and soft and warm, and there's 5 different colors. They're so cute. The detail on these and the quality is insane. This is the caramel knit hat, so it's a little bit actually thicker than the other ones. All the other ones are just a little bit, I don't know if you can tell by the material. The yarn was just a little thicker. So if you want a thicker hat, this is the best one to get. Then we have Lumi, which is a really cute, cool toned gray. I love them. Then we have Haven, which is a more of a cool tone taupe compared to caramel. This is the difference between the two colors. This one is the Michaela, which is a dark charcoal gray. And then we have Avery, which there's only 2 Averys left. I love this. It's a burgundy. Oh, so beautiful. And just for you, I'll give you a secret little coupon code that nobody else will know except the people that watch this video. What should it be? How about MOP? Okay, because we're cleaning, mopping, so MOP, MOP, and you'll get 10% off the entire store. We have clothes, headbands, so many headbands, hats right now, masks. It's just fun and exciting. So if you want 10% off, go ahead, check that out. And then I pack your orders. So check out my Instagram or my vlogs because you'll probably see me packing your orders for you. All right, so now we got to get cleaning. I know that this is going to take all day and probably into the evening. So let's get started. Let me just give you an idea of what we're dealing with right now. What happened in here? I would really like to know. My goodness, girl. Oh my gosh. Over there, pile of pillows. Over here, laundry that's clean that needs to be put away. Over here, makeup bag that I packed and was ready to take with me. Here, random piles of dirty clothes, blanket, laundry bag, equipment from filming, cleaning stuff, lighting, drawers that should be closed. And then here I was looking for a hat or a scarf to take with me to visit my boyfriend, and I don't know why I left it all here. A blanket, another scarf, a shoe, the bag that I took with me. My desk, not too bad, but still needs some work. Let's do this because I need it.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. And you
Alright, it's like the next day, but I didn't get a chance to finish cleaning yesterday, and I wasn't about to film everything at like late at night, so today I'm going to continue. We need to just like dust some things, wipe some mirrors down, vacuum, all that stuff. So let's go ahead and get started.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
All right, everything is clean, so I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the room. Let's just like back out really quick just so you can see when you're walking in. This is what you see, super clean and tidy. We have the super clean mirror that accidentally had some sort of like a spill on it, turns out. I didn't even know, funny enough. We have the dressers completely wiped down, the mirror is cleaned, and everything just looks so neat and tidy. We have the desk that's super clean. You guys probably saw, if you didn't, there's a desk organization video up on my channel. And in there I showed you guys how I organize these drawers and like how I set all that up. So if you want to check it out, I'll like link it in the corner for you. And also I'll add it in the description box. And I'll also tag all of the furniture pieces that I can. Most of the stuff is from IKEA. I think that's from Amazon. The chair is from TJ Maxx, but like I'll link things for you guys in case you're interested. So then if we turn this way, we see the closet. The closet is also pretty clean and tidy. It still has some work to do, but like for the most part, everything's put away. Now we can at least step in, which is really nice. Then we have the bed over here, which everything looks super neat and tidy. I have a few things like on the nightstand that I didn't have before, but that's totally okay. And I love the fact that this is clean. I'm so excited to do my makeup later today or tomorrow where it's super clean. I've been burning a candle. That's something that's out of the ordinary. Once that's done, that's going to be out of the picture. And I was debating to show you guys whether or not like you wanted to see the cleaning of the bathroom as well, but I decided not to do that. But let me know. I know like spring cleaning is right around the corner. Do you guys want to see that? Do you want to see me cleaning the bathroom? I just feel like that's kind of boring. I know it's like a lot more satisfying to see the room clean, but let me know if you want to see like a deep clean of the bathroom. That's something I'm totally willing to do for spring cleaning. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate it. And if you're interested in checking out my little boutique for the headbands and the masks and the hats that I showed you, the knit hats, the knit headbands, I really appreciate you guys. I saw a few orders coming in from a different video I shared, and I just feel so loved. Like, thank you so much. Like, it's a small business, and it just, every time I see your orders come in, like, I don't know, it's just so sweet. I love like packing them for you. It feels like I'm packing a Christmas gift for you. Like, I know that it's a store, but like it's just so, I put so much love and thought into it. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, use the coupon code MOP. Don't forget to subscribe, join the family. We're super nice here. And if this was your first video of watching of mine, it is so nice to meet you. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have been here and you know my drill, let me know in the comments below what other videos you want to see, because I know spring cleaning is right around the corner. And if you're interested in cleaning videos, like let me know what you want to see. But if there's like anything other than this that you want to see, like fashion videos, makeup videos, give me a comment below as well, because I'll be checking them and responding to you guys. And things that get thumbs up, I'll probably end up doing. So yeah, I love you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.